Kia ora e Te Iwi, race 196, the first semi in Te Ihu for the under-19 boys, W6 250 metres. In lane 1, Canoe College, and 2, Wellington High School. Te kura kaupapa Māori o Hokianga, Manukura, Ngā Taiatea Wharekura in 5. Pacific Advanced Secondary School in lane 6. Mount Albert Grammar School in lane 7. Te Rangi a Niwaniwa in lane 8. Te kura kaupapa Māori, Orua Mata in lane 9. Manurewa High School in lane 10, Whangamata Area School. And Te kura Māori o Ngā Tapuwai, we have a red flag. And a black flag. Which is unfortunate because for all of these teams, this is their last race. As a paddler, to have a black flag in a big race like this. And we have a green flag, but that's because a few teams were over the line, and it'll be very unfortunate for them to place in the top placings in this race, only to find out they were DQ'd because of a few centimetres. But those are the rules at Te Iwi. It's better to be safe than sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lane 6, Pacific Advanced Secondary Schools. This lane 6 here, they've been doing really well this week. Here they are. They're leading at the moment. And lane 7, Mount Albert Grammar. You can hear just how much these teams want it as they get near the finishing line. Who is it going to be? Out wide, lane 13, lane 6, and 7 and 8. So 13 is our manuhiri. Whoa. Who was that? I can't choose. It was either Niwa Broncos or Mount Albert Grammar, but it was so fast. And that ends their races for today. They will prepare themselves i te pōnei mo ngā whiringa toa ka tū a pōpō.